I'm here at Bobby Strong. First I thought the leaks were up here after I saw the work that was done, all that, but then I get to looking, this is actually the lean-to that has the leaks. So it's like the leaks would be originating from this line over here. There's a few leaks in that area, but minimal. The main leaks are in this bottom deal. So if you look right here, this is an add-on from this point. This is add-on, this is original, and there's a difference in the decking. There's a line here, and if you look, there's a hump right here. You can really feel the difference. And if you come over here, there's a dip right here. I can step on it. It's like there's no decking. So the water is going up under there. And in that, see, it's not totally sealed. And there's definitely a leak right here. I mean, that, if you look, see right there? Water's just going straight in there. That big dip.